Welcome to today's Excel tutorial. Have you ever found yourself getting lost in sea of data while working on spreadsheet? Well, worry no more. In this video, I will show you how you can automatically highlight the active rows as you enter data in Excel. We will be combining the power of conditional formatting with Visual Basics for application to make your data entry task more efficient and visually interactive. So let's dive right in.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
During data entry, you may need to track where you are. Sometimes we may want that the row in which we are working may be highlighted automatically as we go from one row to the other row, so that you can easily track that where you are working. We will be learning all this in this tutorial. So first of all, you have to select any cell in your data and then press Ctrl A so that all the data is selected. After this, we have to go to the conditional formatting, and here I'll click this new rule. And then I'll select use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here I will type the formula equal cell bracket start, in inverted commas I will write row, close this bracket, equal row bracket start close, and then I will click this format and select any color that I want to highlight. So if I want this yellow color, I will select it and then press OK, and again OK. So now you can see that the active row is highlighted, but it is not moving as I click to any other row. I have to double click and then enter to move to any other cell or row. To move it automatically as I click to other cell, I have to enter a code using the Visual Basic. For this purpose, I'll go to this developer tab, and then under the Visual Basic, I will select the sheet where I want to apply this. I will double click it, and here I will write application dot screen updating equal true. After writing this simple code, you just simply need to close this window, again close this window, and now if I switch to any other row, you can see that the highlighted row is changing with the simple click.
And there you have it. We have learned how to automatically highlight the active row while working in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in improving your productivity and making your spreadsheet work more visually appealing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.